Okay, welcome to the YouTube channel. Now today we will discuss about dual nature of radiation, which are going to pakka. We are going to get two neat questions which are directly formula based and very easy. Every student can do these problems. Okay. I repeat once again. Everyone can do this type of problems. Here see photoelectric effect. We know that Einstein photoelectric equation is given by energy is equal to work function plus kinetic energy. Here assume a metal, a frequency of here if the energy of E incident on a metal, and metal will absorb little amount of energy, and the ejection of electrons take place with a velocity v. Okay, here this equation is based on the conservation of energy. Here total energy is E, and the amount of energy absorbed by this is work function W naught plus kinetic energy. Okay, now sometimes in our question kinetic energy is given as a stopic electric potential. Here note that stopic electric potential, it is not a potential. If they ask potential, we have to just electric potential means 5 electron volt, but the potential means just 5 volt. Okay, we have to be very careful about this. Okay, now energy is given by E is equal to h2 according to Planck's quantum theory. Here we know that speed of the light is equal to distance traveled by time. Same, c is equal to speed of light. Speed of light is equal to distance means lambda, time is 1 by t means frequency. Okay, nu. E is equal to sc by lambda. By substituting nu by c by lambda, we will get E is equal to sc by lambda. Okay, here the photoelectric effect will take place if the incident energy is greater than the work function or equal to work function. Okay, now I repeat once again, the photoelectric effect will take place if the incident energy is greater than or equal to work function. What is power? Power means rate of change of energy. Rate of change of energy is known as power. Here P is equal to Ne by T. In our data they will give energy and power, but they will ask number of photoelectrons emitted per second. Number of photoelectrons per second means we have to find this N by T. Here sometimes they won't give energy, but they give nu. We have to write E is equal to h nu, and sometimes they will not give nu frequency. We have to convert frequency in term of wavelength and speed. Here c by lambda we will get. Okay, intensity means power acting per unit area. See here, the power acting per unit area. Here also, here they may ask power, or directly they ask intensity. Okay, graph related questions. Every year one graph related questions will come from here. Okay, how to remember? Based on the first photoelectric effect given by Einstein, the graph will be asked from that formula only. Here see, they plotted a graph between stopping potential and incident frequency. They plotted a graph between stopping potential and incident frequency. They may ask intercept or find work function. They may ask slope. How to find this type of questions? There are so many neat questions based on this. Okay, how to see? First you have to write the given equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus. See, I wrote the relation between v and v naught. H nu is equal to w naught plus ev naught. Okay, I converted into y is equal to mx plus c form. Here see, y m is h nu. Here nu m